English students of the world, here's another video by United Language Center. If you like these videos or this video, subscribe below, comment below, interact with us. We're more than willing to help you. All right, today we're going to talk about adjectives, but not just any adjective, comparative and superlative adjectives. Now we use these when we're comparing things or when we're talking about a group of people. We'll get to the examples in a second. This video is mainly focused on the spelling rules. So first we're going to go with adjective and then the rule and then how we spell the comparative. So for example, old. You've maybe seen Mark on the videos. Old, we add ER and we can say older. I can say, I am older than Mark. And that's actually true. Doesn't look like that, but it's true. And nice. For nice, we simply add an R. Nice, nicer. Big, we have to double the consonant here. So 2 times the consonant, the C there stands for consonant, plus ER. If you don't know what a consonant is, it's basically not A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and consonants are all the other letters. So we have big, we have bigger. Make sure we have the double G there. Noisy. Now, noisy is an adjective, ends in a Y. So we have to remove the Y, so minus Y, and we add IER, noisier. So I can say Singapore is noisier than Canada. Maybe. Expensive. This is a really long adjective. Expensive. So 3 syllables. Actually, any adjective that has 2 syllables or more that doesn't end in a Y, we're going to add more plus the adjective. This is quite easy. We say more expensive. A Ferrari is more expensive than a Honda. And lastly, we have some of these irregular adjectives like good, bad. There's no Y when we change them to the comparative form. So like good and better. So pizza is better than pasta, in my opinion. There's no reason why we don't say gooder. So you just have to remember these things. Okay? There's no reason why for those. All right? So if we're talking about comparatives, it's when we're comparing 2 things. So look at these first 2 examples. Here we have 3 people. I want to talk about A and B, 2 things or 2 people. I would say A is taller than B. We must use than. Here I have this little guy here. I want to compare C and B. I want to use the adjective short. So I say C is shorter than B. Very clear. We can see that. All right? Now, when we want to talk about one of those things, so if I want to choose A or B or C, we'll use a superlative. And you can see by the spelling rules here, very similar to the comparative spelling rules. With a comparative, we had ER. With a superlative, we had EST, especially for the top line there. See, with nice, we already have the E, so we just have to add ST, nicest. Big, biggest. Noisy, noisiest. Expensive, most expensive. Singapore is the most expensive country, I think. And then good, better, no reason why, and best, right? Matt is the best teacher. Crickets? I don't know. So if we want to talk about one thing, A or B or C, I can say A is the tallest. Remember, with superlatives, we must always use the or a possessive pronoun, but we don't want to talk about that today. So A is the tallest, and we look at this little guy here, we say C is the shortest. So there you have it. Just a quick video about the spelling rules and a few examples of how we use comparatives and superlatives. So thanks very much. See you in the next video.